Well, hi, everybody, and good Thursday morning to you. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there, and boy, do we have a fantastic Thanksgiving in store for you. Let's take a look at that forecast first off today. Again, yeah, you'll be spending inside the mealtime inside, but you may want to get outside afterwards and maybe walk off or work off some calories because it's going to be a nice day out there. We're going to top out in the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s later on today. Lots of sunshine with a few clouds sprinkled in there, and west-southwest winds only 5 to 15 miles per hour. Again, it's looking pretty good today. There are some passing clouds out there this morning, so I'm not going to call it a complete sun-filled day. That said, it will be mostly sunny in most locations out there today. Heading into tonight, we'll keep it mostly clear, and if you have plans for maybe some evening shopping or waiting in line early tomorrow morning for some Black Friday shopping, looking really good, actually, as temperatures most of the night will be in the 40s and 50s, so you won't have to bundle up too much. Now, tomorrow's going to be another mild day ahead of a cold front. Temperatures quickly warm into the 60s, maybe even lower 70s. But then that cold front comes through. Now, we will see falling temperatures, but more of note is going to be the wind. It's going to crank up out of the northwest behind that frontal boundary as it pushes through. So strong northwest winds in the afternoon. A few passing clouds, but no precipitation expected, and temperatures will drop off later on in the day. So, yeah, you'll notice a big difference by 6 p.m. compared to, say, noon time out there. It'll be a lot cooler, and those winds, they do die back towards the evening. They'll be strong in the afternoon, but they do die back later on in the day. As for today's weather, though, looking fantastic. Upper 60s and lower 70s, and I'll tell you right now, I'm probably not even going high enough. A lot of times you can underestimate those west winds and the power they do have. They can sometimes warm you up much more than expected. I would not be surprised if some places out west see mid-70s. I'm going to go with low 70s, though, for today. Mostly sunny skies. Upper 60s and lower 70s in the south. Now, one thing I'll mention also, Grand Island, your record high going back to 2011 and 2005 is 66. I think we break it today, 69 degrees. Hastings, the record is 70. That goes clear back to 1923. Going to be tough to do, but again, underestimating those west winds, sometimes that can really help warm things up. So we could be close today. Kearney, your record is 72. Going to go 69 degrees, so it would be close in Kearney as well, but it is certainly possible to break a record. And then finally to the east, Lincoln, the record 68. I'm going to 65. I don't think we'll quite get there. It's going to be a touch cooler out east, mid to upper 60s, though. Still nothing to complain about. Next several days, again, looking fantastic. Still not bad, although that wind tomorrow is going to be a bit of an issue out there. A little colder Saturday morning, but still above average. The weekend's still good even behind that front. Lots of sunshine, upper 50s Saturday, mid-60s on Sunday. And even better on Monday, upper 60s. A cold front comes through Monday night, and that will drop us back. A bigger drop for Tuesday. That said, if we still hit 50, we're looking 40s north, 50s south, that's still a little bit above average for this time of the year. The winds will be strong on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we're right back into the 50s with lots of sunshine, no precipitation over the next 7 days. And finally, talking about that final game for the Huskers this season, no bowl game in store, unfortunately, and of course this is probably going to be Mike Riley's last game here as head coach of the Huskers. Well, the weather looks great for tailgating in the morning. The winds will start to pick up in the afternoon behind that front, and by the time that front comes through, we'll start to cool off some mid-60s by the beginning of the game there at 3 o'clock, and the winds will be very strong. And by the end of the game, low 50s. The winds will be a little lighter towards the end of the game. But again, if you have plans to wear shorts and t-shirts, just plan on it being much cooler by the end of the game. It won't be nearly as nice as it will be earlier in the day with that front coming through. So there you go. There is that forecast. Thanks for taking the time to watch this on your Thanksgiving holiday. I hope you all have a blessed holiday weekend. I will be back tomorrow. I'll be working for the Black Friday holiday as well, if you call it a holiday, I guess. Many of you have to still work. But again, until next time, I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving, and God bless.